Hi guys! Good morning. Today is April 30, 2021. And ayun, nagko-cooking class ngayon si Adrian dun sa ating room. And ako naman dito is nag-haul ako ng aking Shein whole video. Ayan, gumawa ko ng whole video ng mabilisan lang, very raw na video. And ayan, tinry ko yung mga products niya. And ito yung kinalabasan ng ating makeup. But syempre, mauuna yung ma-upload yung video na yon. But yes, let's vlog today. Cooking class with Adrian. Is it good?
It with salt.
With salt?
But it's really good.
So ayan guys, right now, tingnan niyo yung kitchen namin. It's really messy. Adrian is having his cooking class, so let's try this. So he prepared mushroom soup from Finland. So I don't know where to put it. Let's try with shiitake mushroom, my favorite.
Yum. The mushroom tastes like forest.
Yum. So good. Too
You
bad you have the recipe with you?
Yes.
I want to do it. We're eating, but we're not still done. Guys, ayan yung kalat lang naman ni Adrian na kailangan kong linisin. And he's right there eating. Alam niyo ba ito yung the bottom, the leaves of cauliflower? You can make it as a salad, and it was really good.
I didn't know you can eat it like this.
I just put vinegar, olive oil, salt, and that's it. Sarap niya guys, try nyo. Eh, nasunog yung cauliflower namin. Huwag na natin tignan. So, ayan. Really good. Top. So, ayan guys, tapos na kaming kumain. And it was really good. Kaso, kumain lang ako ng potato soup. And Adrian ate everything. And that's all. Is it a good experience, my love?
Yes.
Yes, but I'm not allowed to tell everyone. I'm not allowed to film the process. So, it was a great experience kasi nag-enjoy kami ni Adrian kahit ang gulo-gulo ng kusina namin. But now, it's clean. It's already clean and Adrian is cleaning right now.
You have to clean.
Yes, I clean it.
Yes.
And also later, we will go to the supermarket to buy some stuff. But, tingnan nyo naman yung weather ngayon. Look at the weather. It's really, gloomy and rainy. But is it cold outside, love?
Oh, it's okay. So you can go.
Ah, yeah? So, ayan guys, mamamalengke na daw kami because it's still raining, han.
No, maybe we go to the house.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I'm going to try baba au rhum. So this one, it's a famous dessert here in France. Ayan. It has a bread and rum.
It's a sponge cake.
It's a sponge cake with rum.
Yes.
No?
And vanilla.
Yeah, but I'm not sure with this because I don't drink
And
rum.
it's put in a jar with syrup, rum,
Oh, okay.
and vanilla.
And vanilla. So, I'm going to try this, but because I haven't tried this one,
So it's with alcohol.
I'm sure I will not like it, but
It's
I
a
will
sponge
give it,
cake.
I will give it a try because this one is really special.
It's a sponge
Galing
cake.
siya sa work ni Adrian, so let's try this.
It's a sponge cake which absorbs alcohol, so it's alcoholic.
It's alcoholic bread.
Yes. Baba au rhum.
Let's try.
Allez. It's the wall. It's the wall.
I don't
Finish.
like it.
Finish. Allez.
Oh God.
Do you feel the vanilla?
I feel jargon. Never again. Throw that thing.
No, I really eat that. I like it.
Ayoko yun.
Oh, what do you want?
Parang yung Ferrero na cherry.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Like mon chéri.
Not good.
Spoken food. Don't start the trick today.
Oof.
I like it.
Did you eat one? You liked it?
Yeah.
But you don't like mon chéri?
Yeah, but you tried it. What?
No. At least I tried it. But I will never eat it again. So, ayun guys. Mamalengke na tayo because it's already late and I'm sure madami ng tao sa supermarket. So, let's go! So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Kakagaling lang namin sa supermarket. Actually, mabilisan lang for only 30 minutes and then umalis na din kami. We just bought stuff for till Tuesday. So, ayun. Kasi meron na akong pasok on Tuesday. So, ayan. Bumili lang kami ng pagkain namin. And also, ayun, what else? And also guys, yung nakita nyong time-lapse kanina is gamit ko yung aking phone. And ang hirap kasing mag-vlog sa labas. Actually, ginagamit ko yung phone kasi palagi akong tinitignan. So, ginamit ko yung phone para makapag-time-lapse tayo sa loob ng grocery. But yeah, we're on our way home. It's already 6 p.m. So, ayan guys, nanood lang kami ng movie. Kumusta Philippine? Don't Breathe. And it was really, really good. You should watch it. And I'm going to end the vlog here. Please don't forget to
Bye.
and subscribe. Bye guys!